Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply cash advance in Metrobank credit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So right now over here you can see here in the Metrobank, I would love to show you something. Here in this section we're gonna visit this Metrobank cards terms and conditions. So right now over here, as you can see, I'm here in this 9th condition, which highlights this cash advances. So simply for you to advance, you simply have to first of all be the card member and a supplementary members of the Metrobank, right? If you are already, then if you can simply access your credit card. If you already have it, then all you have to do is simply go through the Metrobank or PS Bank branches, any would do. Otherwise you can also go to the ATMs branches of Metrobank or any that support credit card of Metrobank. For that purpose, you only need a confidential personal identification number, aka the PIN, shall be provided to the card member and on supplementary members. In case of ATM cash advances, the card member and shall use the PIN which you have created. Simply insert your card and you can add in the PIN and you will be able to cash advance from it. Other thing that you have to do is simply, if you would like to change it, you have forgotten and want to change it, you can contact the customer service of the Metrobank and can change your PIN as well. And the other thing that you have to make sure of, that you do have to pay Metrobank a cash advance fee in addition to finance charge calculated from the transaction date. And that is it, guys. That's the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.